This video is an ad for Mattel. Today on Unbox Daily, we are heading to Metropolis High, that is, to meet the new DC superhero girls. We have Kitana, Batgirl, Bumble Bee, Wonder Woman, and Supergirl. On the back of the box, it says DC Superhero Girls. Saving the day is super easy when you're a superhero. But stopping evil in its tracks while keeping up your grades and managing a social life all before curfew? That's like super tough. DC Superhero Girls are more than crime-fighting besties. They're a diverse group of dedicated super teens. Working together, they fight the battles of Metropolis and the battles of growing up all at the same time. Then, there is a small description about each character on their individual boxes. Let's take a look at Supergirl first. Confident and competitive Supergirl, aka Kara Danvers, always means well, but she doesn't always know her own super strength, which all too often gets her into real trouble. Out of the box, her hair is cut to the shoulders. She wears a blue top with a red skirt. They are sewn together. The front of the skirt is so sparkly. She wears a yellow accessory around the waist, a short red plastic cape, and red boots. She has movement at the head, shoulder, wrist, and hip, so we can pose her for action. Super genius Karen Beecher, aka Bumble Bee, may lack the fighting skills of her super friends.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stand right over here.
But she has more heart and brainy resilience than anyone in Metropolis.
You really think so?
Absolutely! Just look at your tech! She has a yellow helmet with a visor that can be raised, wings that can move, yellow bracelets, and large yellow boots. She wears a black and yellow striped top attached to yellow shorts. And she has long brown hair with a slight wavy texture. We are definitely buzzing with excitement for this one. Ha! See what I did there? Buzzing with excitement because, she's a bee. Okay. Kitana, aka Tatsu Yamashiro, is a master of martial arts and as motivated and as disciplined as Wonder Woman, but with her own way of seeking justice, using her special sword to drain the spirits of her enemies. Out of the box, she has straight black hair, wears a mask that can be removed. Her outfit colors are gray, black, and red, with a little sparkle. She has tan and silver accessories and wears tall red shoes. Yeah! Honing her detective skills and using her curious, tech-focused brain, Batgirl, aka Barbara Gordon, is always looking for opportunities to try out her newest crime-fighting gadgets. Check out my utility belt! Pretty awesome, right? Absolutely, Batgirl. It goes perfectly with your whole look. She has a cowl that can be removed, a purple outfit with a glitter gold bat symbol, yellow accessories, yellow boots, and a black fabric cape. Look out, world, cause Batgirl is on the case. Last but not least is Wonder Woman. In case you didn't know, I am super crazy about Wonder Woman. Total fangirl here. A crusader for truth and justice, Wonder Woman, aka Diana Prince, is always looking to stop evil in its tracks. Stop! I am stopping the evil in its tracks. With courage and supreme confidence, while excelling at Metropolis High in both academics and sports. She wears a gold-colored tiara, a red sparkly top attached to a blue skirt, gold accessories, silver bracelets, and tall red and gold colored boots. Her hair has a dark blue in it, which I think gives her a very dynamic look. Wonder Woman stands around 11.5 inches tall, while the others are under 11 inches. They all have the same articulation as Supergirl, with movement at the head, shoulder, wrist, and hip. One hand is closed and the other is open, giving us more options for play. I really like how different their personalities are. Supergirl is really strong, Bumblebee is really smart, Kitana is great at martial arts, Batgirl has detective skills, and Wonder Woman is all about truth and justice. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at DC Superhero Girls. Until next time, bye! This video is an ad for Mattel.